Hi everyone, I'm Johnny, and today's lecture is going to be about loudness and how we measure and meter loudness in order to make sure that our track is going to be accepted by the streaming platforms or any other issues that could arise when we submit um, our recordings to get listened to. Basically, there is kind of now a standard kind of loudness that we want to aim for, and we want to talk about how we achieve those desired numbers and what that really means in terms of what it does to our music. So let's take a look at this song I've been working on for a group, and um, first of all, I just have one plugin, and this is a free plugin. Right, this is the pro version that I have, but there's a free version that you can get. I recommend everyone has this Uline loudness meter 2. It's really awesome plugin that has a visual of your information coming in, as well as gives you integrated loudness and short-term loudness and LUFS. It also gives you LU and True Peak meter at the bottom. So I'm gonna click this X and reset it, and let's just give it a listen really quick.
Take it from the top, Billy. Running forever down these white river roads. Sun's all out there, breeze is so cold. Feeling lost pull in every single breath.
So yeah, obviously I'm going pretty loud here. I've got it all the way up into -10, and yeah, maybe that's a little bit too loud. So that's something we need to be thinking about all the time is how loud are we making our music when we're in that final stage of the mix? Obviously, you can see the waveform that I've made here. It's just like a square almost by the time the music gets going, especially when the vocals come in. So when we're making a mix, it's really important to understand these things, and especially when we're making a mix to be put on streaming platforms, we need to understand what the true peak value needs to be at and why. Because we use a certain format nowadays in the streaming platforms that require to be at basically -1. And um, you'll find out from the reading that we have this week that it's really important that we make sure that we meter these things and have them um, not clip, because if we aren't careful, we could be causing distortion. All right, so I'll leave that to you guys to do the reading, and don't forget, we're going to need to respond to the reading with a discussion. I want you guys to kind of paraphrase slash describe where you might be using each of the different meters that we're going to be talking about using. So we just talked about true peak and loudness. The last one I want to mention before I close out this video is RMS, which is root mean square. And I'm sure all of you are familiar with that one because that's the one we use in Pro Tools right here. It gives you the average kind of loudness signal as you're coming um, into the meter. It's a little bit different from integrated loudness, but it's still probably gets used more than integrated loudness. But I want everybody to start thinking about LUFS these days, and especially why we need to be thinking about it. Let's check out the reading and figure that out. And I can't wait to see everybody's comments.